In September 2025, a major construction equipment theft was broken. The ring was responsible for over 2 million in losses from construction sites. They targeted construction equipment, trailers, and utility vehicles. And about 1.1 million in stolen property was recovered from the suspect's own homes and properties. Hi, I'm Oli, and if you manage a construction site, you already know. Fences get cut, equipment disappears overnight, and cameras just record the crime after it happens. We've been in the field long enough to understand exactly what you're up against. Stick with us because we'll show you exactly what works, solutions that have been tested on the field, on real site, and in real conditions. For construction site security, we divided this topic by risk, challenges, and devices. So first off, we have the material supply disruption, because we know that if something happens, tools are stolen, you're a victim of vandalism, or even someone stealing machinery parts, we know the problem is not only about money. We know it can postpone the site for a couple of days or maybe even a couple of weeks, depending on what is broken or stolen. It is not cost efficiency, time efficiency. People cannot work. People that are waiting to get their house built or their apartment will see their date postponed. Security companies are aware, so fortunately for you, that's exactly what they are here for. Here are the challenges that we've targeted. Construction sites have their very own template when it comes to security because of those challenges. Securing, for example, a parking lot versus a construction site is two completely different worlds. And this is where the good security companies intervene. The specific challenges that we have here, the fact that you have uncontrolled foot traffic, shifting perimeter, and no permanent infrastructure. We know that a lot of different person comes and go. They need to have access at different time of the day, different moment of the week, even sometime of the weekend. And all of this needs to be flexible because we know that the perimeter might change from one week to another. You need to make sure that the devices can be moved around easily and reliably. So here are our recommendations if you're managing a construction site. First thing is an autonomous security box. So this is a box with everything on it that can be placed on your site, and the moment you need to secure another space, it's very easy to move it around. And also with the autonomous security box, you can have voice interventions, RVM, AI analytics. They can also be solar powered, so you don't need to have a consistent electricity source feeding it. They also have a lot of other features depending on your needs. The second choice is wireless access control. Obviously, you don't need only one or the other. You can have both. This is always better. And the wireless access control is just a way to filter who comes, like having a lock on your door. You have an access code, just give it to the person and it can come in. Easy as that. And the third option, live video monitoring. It's mostly having someone making sure that everything is fine, which is less common, but some construction sites would rather have full coverage because of certain needs. That's it for the construction site security. So the risks, as you probably knew already, the challenges that companies are facing securing your site, and the solution to counter those challenges. And if you have any more questions, feel free to use the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.